Okay, so we're going to import an Ifc file. Let's just give it a name here, and let it load. So what we're going to do is under data, under this option here, under points, there's more import options you can choose, and we're going to select the import bin command. And what you'll want to do is browse to where you have an Ifc file. Sorry, wrong folder. And then you need to specify an insertion point. I'm just going to pick here on my screen. And then you need to specify a scale factor. And so you need to know what units the project is in. I know this Ifc file is in meters, but my project is in feet. So I'm going to type in the scale factor for that conversion, which is 3.28084. To give my program focus here, 3.28. And then rotation, I'm just going to accept the default to 0. And so here's our Ifc model. Now if we rotate this to the side, you're going to see that it's a wireframe. You can always turn perspective on if you wanted to make it look more real. You can turn on the realistic mode. If you go to visualize, of course you can choose any of the options here. That's the X-ray mode, or go back to realistic. Now this model, when you import it, when you click on it, it's all one entity, and you're going to see here it's called an Ifc Underlay. And what you can do now is open up the Ifc Properties dialog, and when you do that, it shows this dialog here on the right side of the screen, and you have to have the Ifc model selected for this to appear. And when you do that, there's different categories in Ifc models. You can think of them, they're similar to what layers are in a drawing file. And so you can turn different parts of your model off, such as the doors in windows. If you had a roof on here, you could turn it off. And again, it really depends on the Ifc model where it came from, and you'll see different categories. You can also click into here and you'll have more specific control over what you want to turn on and off. And then sometimes you'll have object properties listed here, which in this particular model, there aren't any. So in this example, I just wanted to hide the doors and windows so I can see the openings. And so I'm done with this now. And that's how you import an Ifc file. In the next movie, we'll show you how to make some edits to this, such as changing colors or even applying materials and a few other things.